The latest when it comes to Tamil Nadu, and this is now Tamil Nadu Industries Minister TRB Raja's son, Surya Raja Balu, who refused to let BJP leader Annamalai place a medal around his neck at the 51st State Shooting Games, choosing instead to accept it and take it in his hand. Now, Annamalai, he was the chief guest at the event and had been garlanding all the winners as part of the ceremony. But Surya declined the gesture, making the moment extremely uncomfortable. My colleague Radhika joining us in order to get us the latest on this. Radhika, this is coming about on the heels just 2 weeks back when a similar snub had taken place in Tamil Nadu when a doctoral student had walked past the governor on stage and received a degree from the Vice Chancellor instead. And now we're seeing a similar situation erupting here when Annamalai was to garland this minister's son, but he refused to take the garland. In fact, just took it in his hand instead and walked past Annamalai.
Absolutely. The incident is a display of political rivalry between BJP and DMK, no doubt about it. In fact, this happened in Pudukkottai during an award ceremony. In fact, Annamalai was the chief guest there. He was felicitating a lot of winners. Among the winners was TRB Raja's son, Minister TRB Raja's son, Surya. In fact, when he was to be awarded that medal, he refused to let Annamalai tie it around his neck. Instead, he took it by his hands. So that's what happened. Of course, hugely embarrassing as far as the BJP is concerned. It was a polite decline from the side of TRB Raja's son, after which he posed for photographs with the chief guest as well. But this does put BJP in an embarrassing situation. And this is, as I said, a display of a political rivalry between the BJP and the DMK. We've not got any reactions from the DMK leader TRB Raja himself or from his son or any of the other DMK leaders, and Annamalai is also yet to react.